April showers may bring May flowers, but with the showers and flowers, there's also a lot of pollen and allergens in the air, which really tests our immune system. Even if you don't have any allergies, you might find your body reacting to the change in the air. So for April, as part of the Happiness Project theme, we're going to focus on our immune system and the role our gut plays in the equation. Hi, welcome to another episode of the Mental Health Break podcast. I'm your host, Dr. Nafisa Sikandari. So for our Happiness Project, where we explore a different theme each month, we're going to be focusing on our gut health and improving our overall immune system as it tackles the allergens and the weather changes in our environment in April. We started our Happiness Project in January and talked about decluttering and clearing out our energy internally and externally. In February, we addressed our relationship with ourselves, with others, and with our faith. In March, we focused on parenting ourselves, our children, and forgiving our parents for not meeting our needs. By improving different aspects of our lives and expanding our comfort zone, it's my hope that we create more joy and excitement in our daily lives without having to completely turn over our lives upside down. In creating more joy and excitement, I'm hoping we increase our overall happiness and satisfaction level in our lives. So what does our gut and immune system have to do with happiness? Well, our gut health is responsible not just for our overall immune system, but it also creates over 85% of our feel-good brain chemicals, such as serotonin and dopamine. Our mood is highly dependent on our gut health, and if we want to be happier and release feel-good chemicals, then we need to make sure that our gut bacteria are happy and healthy. They won't do their job if their environment is unhealthy and the trillions of gut bacteria are not healthy and fed appropriately. So it's important that you focus on taking care of your gut and be sure to eat enough fiber-rich foods to nourish your gut bacteria. What your gut bacteria love are onions and garlic and radishes and jicama and, of course, other fruits and vegetables that are high on fiber and low on sugar. It's also important to avoid foods that have been sprayed with pesticides and herbicides because those chemicals will kill your gut bacteria just like they do the bugs that come in contact with the fruits and vegetables. Also avoid toxic chemical exposure in your home and the use of antibacterial soaps and sprays. Your body is covered with healthy bacteria, and they don't just live in your gut. They live on your skin and hair, and when we get rid of them, the bad bacteria will grow and take over and become more powerful and also become more resistant to antibiotics and antibacterials. Regular soap and water will be more than enough to keep you healthy and clean, so no need to use harsh chemicals. So focus this month on improving your gut health, and also eat foods that support your gut microbiome and avoid anything that will harm it. I'll be joining you live next week inside our private community and talk more about supporting your gut and providing additional resources to help you. If you haven't joined the private community yet, it's not too late. Go to drsikandari.com/happiness-project and get started today. You can try it for a month, and if you're not happy, feel free to cancel the membership. It's only $10 a month, and the only reason we made it paid is to prevent hackers and trolls from hijacking the community. So here's to a happier and healthier April. As much as I love spring, the recent allergies I've developed are not my favorite, but focusing on my gut health and improving my immune system alleviate the majority of my symptoms, and I hope they do the same for you. Until next time.